Hello guys, it's Saturday and I got some new rear lights because my rear lights are cracked. Meanwhile, I'm changing my rear lights. We're gonna have some Q&A and some outside footage and some inside shots while I'm driving. And let's see what the day has to give us. So let's get started. Here's my new rear lights. I got them painted black, and here's the old ones. They cracked and the clear coat has come loose, as you can see here. It's really easy to uninstall them. There's 4 nuts on each side. So 4 nuts here and 4 nuts on the other side. Let's begin with the Q&A.
How much did you buy the car for?
I bought the car from Finland for around $8,000, around 8,000 euros. And the car looked like this.
How much have you spent on the car so far?
I spent around 140k Swedish crowns, and it's around $13,500 or euro. That includes the paint job, rims, inside details and some other stuff.
There's been a lot of questions if you want to sell the car. If you would sell it, how much do you want for it?
I would never sell the car, first of all, and if I would sell it, I would ask around 360,000 Swedish crowns, and it's around $36,000 or euro. I know now the comments will be like, holy shit, why so much? That's why I overvalue it. I don't want to sell the car.
What wheels do you have?
I don't remember exactly the name of the wheels, but they're 17 inches, 8-inch wide front and back, and I think the name of the rims are Japan Racing GI21 or something like that. Now the left side is done. Let's begin with the right one, and as you can see, it's a big difference between the new one and the old one.
What exhaust do you have?
It's almost straight piped, but I have one cat in the middle, and it's from Simon's, and you will hear the exhaust system later on the video.
What country are you guys from?
We're born and raised in Estonia, but we moved to Sweden for like 20 years ago. The job is done. I will keep the old ones because you never know when you need them.
How did you fit the screen?
I needed to modify a lot, so everything that's here was up here. So I took everything and put it down below. It took a lot of time and patience. Would I do it again? Probably not.
Is it original engine?
Okay, let's see. Original engine? Hell no. The original engine was 316, but now it has M60 B40 4-liter V8 from Bmw E30 V8. It's a lot of horsepower for such a small car.
How does the cold start sound?
Let's get some inside and outside footage. Let's go. My brother needs to leave his car first, and then we're gonna film some footage for you.
We're gonna take a quick stop and pick up our good friend and then move on. So that you guys know, the road is closed.
It's in Mexico.
Yes, and it's in Mexico. Shit.
What the fuck? Some pops and bangs.
It sounds absolutely crazy.
Pure monster.
What do you guys think?
Bam.
What the fuck?
No, that's fun.
Fucking hell.
Fucking boom.
When you have big engine, the gas station is your second home. I can't push the car too much because it has almost original brakes. So the plan is next year to upgrade to bigger brakes and some other wheels, because right now it has 4 lugs and next year I need to put 5 lugs. So I can put a little bit wider rims and the same at the back. Stress other people's. Because det är sjuka ljud.
Taxichauffören är helt stressad där. Turning signal.
It works.
BMW.
It works. Oh shit! Now we're back home again, and I know what they're doing because it's Saturday. So let's see what they're doing. Let's see.
Säg oss här, det finns ett case.
Det finns ett case och casen är här.
Ja, då kommer de köra. Vad är det för någonting?
Vad sa du?
Vad är det för något?
Rom.
Jocke gjorde ju så på jobb.
Okej.
Tog... vart det för lite?
Ja, jag tycker också det.
Skål för!
Jävla skön helg.
Skål, tack.
That's it for this video.
If you have some questions, put them in the comments down below.
Yes.
And let us know what you want to see in the future.
And see you in the next video.